We think that the world is filled with knowledge and knowledgeable people, and more of that knowledge is being captured in audio and video, not necessarily in text. We used to write letters, we used to send lots of emails, we still do, but now we podcast, we do Zoom calls, and so much incredible knowledge is only shared one time, and it might be recorded, but it then is kind of like a big blob of a large file. And when you add transcription and indexing to those blobs, they become extraordinarily valuable. So if you have 2,000 hours of webinars or podcasts or sessions at a conference, you get a transcript. Your video, your audio recordings are transcribed, indexed, and clipped, and then made available on the mobile device, so your members, your users, your customers can do a full text search inside of any lecture, inside of the entire collection of lectures. Let's say I went to a conference on video marketing, and there were 1,000 speakers at the conference over a 3-day period, and I only got to go hear 10 of them in person. And I come home from the conference, it was really energizing, I had a great learning experience, but I'm like super curious, did anyone talk about Clubhouse? Did anyone talk about Facebook's new podcasting? I can type in those words 3 days after the conference and find out that 30 speakers mentioned those things, and it takes me straight to the clip in their presentation, and I don't have to waste time. And so the conference organizers or the associations often do a really good job of finding the best thought leaders in any field, bringing them to the conference, but then only a few people hear their speech live. So what we're doing is trying to extend the useful life of every great presentation or every great talk.